Hello, hey, I am number 39. I'm going to teach you how to integrate the bracelet in the application. With Strava, how do you know? Strava is an action where it records all the exercise issues, both running and physical exercise. Well, if you want to integrate your bracelet so that they send all the data automatically from the WhatsApp application to the Strava application. Today, we are going to show you how to do it. You will see that. It is very simple to do this. We will go to our WhatsApp application, and now we will go to the lower right once we are in this menu slide. We have down until we reach application settings. Now we will click on integration once. This menu is loaded. As you see, the Strava option no longer appears. We will click on it. We will click on connect. As you see here, we are going to authorize all the data collected by our bracelet app are sent to Strava. We are going to authorize it in this way. It would already be connected to our Go to Strava platform, and as you can see, all the data will be automatically sent to lock and activate all the activities, and it would only activate the running one. But well, I'm going to keep all the activities, so nothing. This is all. If you have any problem or any question about, leave it in the comments, and I will answer you as soon as possible. I have also left you a gift in the description where you have a free month of Goku if you want it. Purchase in the link in the description. You can purchase it for free for 1 month, so nothing. This is all. See you later. Thank you.